to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing of this Heidi Swapp limited edition memory decks kit. Now, I recently purchased this from Joann's and the clearance price is $7.47, and that's why I want to show it to you all, because they're obviously moving this out of the stores, and if you don't have it already, I actually already opened it and have a ton of ideas as to what you can do with it. So I felt like it was a great share. Now this weekend they had it on sale, well, the clearance price, but they also had a coupon where you could get the clearance. It was supposed to be 25% off, but I had a 20% off, so that's what I used. So I only paid like $5.60 for this kit. Sarahi was the one that told me about it. And I am so glad that I picked it up, and I apologize for my lighting. And they had a bunch of different ones for these kits. This was the one that I ended up getting, and honestly I think it would be worth going back to pick up another one from Joann's. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this over. Let me take this plastic off because the glare from my lights are probably annoying you all. All right, so here we have our memory decks cards, and I mean, look at this. $5.60 for all of these cards, and these cards you absolutely do not need to keep them this way. I would actually keep them, so you have some that are with a tab to the left, the middle, and the right. I would actually take one of each one and then draw it with like a Sharpie or something, so that you can always have an outline. That way you can always create your own memory decks to keep filling up your memory decks box. All right, and all of these have something on the front and back, so you can write on them. I personally would take and cover all of these up with my own little cardstock paper and such. See, these ones are tabbed to the left, but they all have that same background. And these are actually really nice designs. And then you get these that are lined and then plain in the back. And again, I would save one of these and draw my own outline, especially if you do not have like a metal die that cuts the memory decks portion for you, or if you don't have the memory decks punch from Heidi Swapp, you know. So these are adorable, and there's tons of tutorials out there that show you how to make your own memory decks. Now here's the acetate words that it comes with. And I knew immediately when I got this that I was not keeping the box black and white because it just does not go with the aesthetic of any of my offices. So, and these are nice and thick. This one says today, hello, hashtag boss. I love that. I could use that. Beautiful. I love that. I love all of these. Thankful and happy. So you could use all of these as decoration. Then you do get your washi roll. Okay, so you get your washi tape, and it obviously has the different designs on it. And then you get your box. And I love this because it has the part in the front, so you can put a tab or something there. But like I said, I plan on covering mine up, and when I alter it, I'll probably do another video. And then the bottom just says Heidi Swapp. But I love this, and this is like a metal, and I had ran my hand down the side of this and got scratched. So just be careful, because some of these are not like finished probably the way that they intended them to be, but that is gorgeous. And like I said in my haul video, I feel like this will be great if you do not have a lot of memory decks cards, or if you want to just put your immediate friends or family members that you do frequent when you're sending friend mail or happy mail or love mail out. You can put that in there, or you can just use it as a way to store all of your most loved memory decks cards or your seasonal memory decks cards. Personally, I plan on doing my most frequent friends that I do send mail to, and then also a seasonal one. So I'll be going back and getting another one of these so that I can have one for each, and then I can also have them in my different office spaces. Now, the gift box that it all comes in looks like this. Okay, so you get your ribbon, and then you also get your to from tag. But guess what? You could look at it like this. If you're not gifting it to someone, you now have gained 2 additional memory decks holders. All you have to do is get you some wooden dowels or straws and add them in there. And then you can put even more memory decks inside of these boxes. So when I opened this, I said, oh, I definitely need to share this. And then the inside is white. So again, you can cover it. This is such a gorgeous box. I will give Heidi a huge thumbs up on this one. This was a really cute kit. I absolutely love this. And like I said, I'm going back to see how many more my store has so that I can get some more. All right. That's my unboxing of this memory decks kit. I cannot wait to go ahead and alter it. And let me just go ahead and pop some of these memory decks on here just in case you're not familiar. Look at that. That is so cool. And even with all of the memory decks that are included, I mean, you have a ton of room to put memory decks in here. And you know, a lot of us like to decorate them, so it does give you a lot of space for your 3D and 2D elements on your memory decks. So if you had not already seen this at your stores, hopefully this helped you, and be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day, Doll Smooches. Mwah. Bye.